Simplilearn. Your pace, your place.
Lesson 2. Agile Methodologies. Welcome to Lesson 2 of Simplilearn's Agile Scrum training program. In this lesson, we shall introduce a number of Agile methodologies. Before we dig into the Scrum methodology, the idea behind doing this is to make sure that you are aware of best practices from a wide variety of methodologies. There is no right or wrong way of doing Agile or Scrum. You should feel free to mix and match practices that make sense to you. Let us first look into the agenda in the next slide. Agenda. Let us now look at the agenda for this lesson. We start off with a quick overview of the more popular Agile methodologies. Then we look at some features of the following: Crystal, Extreme Programming, DSDM, Feature-Driven Development, Agile Unified Process, Scrum, a brief preview before we dig deeper into the subsequent lessons. Now we will proceed to the next slide to start with the Agile methodologies. Agile methodologies. Let us take a look at some of the Agile methodologies that are prevalent in the industry today. Some of the Agile methodologies are known to advocate a very simple and flexible process. These are classified under the lightweight portion and include methodologies like Scrum, Crystal, and Extreme Programming. Some other approaches are slightly more prescriptive in their practices and are hence classified as fuller approaches, but they are also agile, in the sense that they also advocate incremental and iterative development. These include methodologies like DSDM, Agile Unified Process, or AUP, and Feature-Driven Development, or FDD. So within the Agile umbrella, there are a number of methodologies and practices that are available to you to choose your own specific Agile flavor. Let us move on to the next slide, which talks about the Crystal. Crystal. The Crystal family of methodologies was invented by Alistair Cockburn. Cockburn believes that software development is a game of innovation that is played by team members collaborating with each other. There are two main elements to Crystal.